Alright, here we are, unboxing of the Seiko Presage Cocktail Time. Cardboard white outer box. I believe it's going to be a cardboard inner box, and it doesn't have a flap, so I'm going to have to dump it out. There we go. Got the certified limited warranty from Seiko. First year worldwide. Second and third year valid in the United States. I got this from a Seiko authorized dealer. Again, this was Trifecta Watches. Jacob over there is just fantastic. Gave me a great deal, and I really highly recommend. I'll put a link to the website in the description. I went to his actual brick and mortar store, but you guys can purchase online. Or if you're in the area, you can go and hit them up there. But I'll tell you what, great to work with, great deals, and he loves watches, which is awesome to see. All right, I'll quit talking. We'll get back to the watch. This is what we're looking at. We've got a foam. Well, that's cool. Protects the watch. A little foam piece there. Cardboard piece in there. And sitting on a black pillow is the Seiko Cocktail Time. I went with the dark blue. I'm going to turn my flash up here. The things you get with a Seiko dial are just outrageous. Seiko does dials so well. Completely unmatched. And I think that that was really my draw. It's this sunburst dial. It's just beautiful with Seiko. It's an automatic watch. He uses the 4R35, I think is what the Seiko version is. When they sell this movement, it's a signed rotor, branded, you know what I mean. When they sell this movement to other companies, you're looking at a NH35, as I believe what they call it. Date here at the 3 o'clock window. I went with a steel bracelet. They do offer a leather bracelet, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a coffee colored, almost vintage style bracelet, or not bracelet, but strap, and we'll take this strap off eventually and throw on a leather strap to give it that real dress look. I like the bracelet. It's just, I think it's a little too much metal, and I think the coffee color strap will absolutely set off this dial and be a great combination. There's not much to it. Everybody, I'm not going to tell you, the Cocktail Time has been out for a long time. So if you've been looking at it, this is just another look. Beautiful watch, 40 millimeter, just, again, value for money. Really, really something you might want to consider. So that's about it. This is a pretty quick unboxing. Your links here feel pretty secure. I'll throw it on the wrist here for a second just so you can get a view of that. I'm gonna have to resize this, I believe, because this butterfly clasp. Yeah, I've got a little bit of play, so I'm gonna have to resize that. But we'll give you a shot here of the wrist. Sits on the wrist well, but that's really it. You got not much to it. The box is not exceptionally overdone, which doesn't surprise me in this price point. It's not bad. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just not. It's not a luxury watch box. This is a great value for buy money. Can't say enough. Beautiful domed crystal. I think you can see it just a little bit there, but it's set down in the watch case so it doesn't protrude very much out over, and allows you to see that dial just stand out like a Seiko dial does. All right, till next time.